Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. And this is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the application of Instagram. And here in your feed, you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of the messages. And if any person in your followers sent to you a message, you can reply this message in this part. This is the DMs part of Instagram. This is the part where all the messages of all your followers sent. So for example, is the person sent to you a message here, you pick in the profile of this person, and you can respond that message in two ways. You can type in a message, send a message, write a message, or you can send a voice note. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.